The Storytelling Guild started 60 years ago with a small group of women that were passionate about bringing literacy and storytelling to children that didn't have preschool or kindergarten at that time.
So the Storytelling Guild has been putting on the Children's Festival for 60 years. The first Children's Festival was a group of women who, they were just like, what can we do for our kids that is both educational and fun? And it was such a big hit that like 2,000 people came, and they decided we have to do this again tomorrow. And it's just been wildly popular ever since the first time. And it's always been a group of Storytelling Guild volunteers along with hundreds of other volunteers. And our motto is, it's for the children. And so anytime we think of a new booth or a new activity, we ask ourselves, how are kids going to be able to come and have fun doing this?
There are arts and crafts and science and stage performances. They get to see Mother Goose and the Queen. You can move up from there and play with Legos or do gold panning. And then our older kids will typically stay up at the top of the hill and do crafts like carpentry or leather craft and tie-dye, origami, silk screening. This festival, everybody working so hard. It's so hot, it's tiring, it's long, but we do it year after year to see the kids get to experience crafts that they wouldn't be able to do at home.
I feel like we are all pretty passionate about making this event happen, and then we work really hard together all year long, and that I'm part of something that's been going for 60 years, and I hope that it continues to go, and I can bring like grandkids here and see other families continue. I'm proud of being part of the group that puts this on.